Imagine hearing clearly again, not just louder, but smarter. Crystal clear conversations, richer sound, all packed into what looks like a sleek modern earbud. This isn't science fiction, it's a CEVAL Wave Lite, one of the most exciting new OTC hearing aids for 2025. And we're plugging in and testing it here right on the Gold Coast. I'm Andrew from Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and if you're new to the channel, we're your go-to experts on OTC hearing aids that don't look or feel like hearing aids. We've reviewed a number of different models of OTC hearing aids, and CEVAL's stepped into the spotlight. We're doing a full review of the Nano Model 2, which will be another review, but today it's all about the Wave Lite. And as you can see, there it is just there. Now, don't they look absolutely incredible? What lovely earbuds. So guys, what can you expect? We'll unbox it with the AI voice enhancement, dive into the app, stream music and calls over Bluetooth, and even plug it directly into a TV using the AUX cable. Plus, we'll show you how it handles noisy outdoor environments and if it's truly comfortable enough for all day wear. And also make sure you check the links below if you wish to purchase in, and also like our channel, subscribe, and let's jump in right now. Right out of the box, the CEVAL Wave Lite looks more like a premium wireless earbud than a traditional hearing device. The matte finish, ergonomic shape, and discreet profile make it ideal for those who want hearing help without drawing attention. You get the hearing aids themselves, a compact USB-C charging case, 4 size of ear tips, a cleaning kit, and even AUX in cable, something that we'll talk about more shortly. Now, as you can see, that's how small they are compared to my hand, and you pop them in, you'll notice how lightweight and snug they are. Definitely one of the most comfortable I've tested. And straight away, you notice a sound boost. It offers a generous 40 decibel of gain, which is ideal for those with mild to moderate severe hearing loss. Whether you're in a quiet room or out in a noisy cafe, the AI-powered noise reduction kicks in automatically, giving you clearer, focused conversations with minimal background hum. Now, I've got them there in my ears as well. As you can see, they fit right in there. And unlike traditional hearing aids, they don't have the thing that comes over either. It's all built into the ear. It really is incredible. It's like outside, if I can hear any of the background noise or if it amplifies it or how it is. So let's go take them out and pop them in the ears. Again, very, very simple. Pop them out, put them in your ears just like this, and put them in just like that. So there they are. They're in my ears just now. Look how easy that is. Now, again, you can hear some outside noise. So there you go. And straight away you can hear the sound being amplified. So I can actually hear some building works. You guys might be able to pick it up, but I could pick it up in the actual earbuds themselves. So this means it's amplifying the outside noise, but there's no other noise around it actually. It sounds really clear. And I can hear myself talking quite well as well. So sounds good. And yeah, I can hear it just over there, which is good. So you can change the different modes though if you don't want to hear that. So if you've got conversation, it will reduce it down. But yeah, these are great to use out here, and there they are there. So now we're going to take a look at the actual app and use it with you guys so you can see exactly how it works. Then you go and connect your hearing aids, put them on like I've done now. And as you can see just here, it's connected now. Here it is, you just set up an account quickly, you can use guest mode. Now on here you've got 2 options. So you've got the left and the right. So this is basically the amount of volume you're getting from the outside. Now this is on 1 at the moment. You could turn that down or you could turn that right up depending on what you want. So I've turned that up, and because I don't have any hearing issues, that's actually quite loud as well. So I could hear myself to start with quite loud, but it gives you the ability to be able to put them up. Now you can also synchronize them as well. So it means they're both the same as well if they get lost. But it's very easy to be able to tap and adjust the hearing aid straight away, which is great. Now, this is the scene mode we we're talking about before. I'm gonna try this out just now. So scene mode is indoor. So indoor, it's louder, but it sounds very clear. So this will be based on having not as much noise in the background. Conversation, this enables you to be able to speak to the person in front of you. Again, it highlights their voice, not just your own. Restaurant, again, this is if you're in a busy restaurant and you want to make sure that you can actually hear the person without you, and actually reduces the noise around. Great function. Now outdoor, we used this yesterday, we're at the beach outdoors, and it worked very well. It really reduced the outside noise, so I could really hear things around me. So you can change it there. You can also use noise reduction here as well. So by increasing that, it reduces the noise reduction as well. So even putting that on just then, I could hear a reduction in the ambient noise in the background. And this allows you to change the noise. So with the directivity, so just doing the sound directly ahead. So if I do this, I should be able to pick it up all around me. Yeah, so it's directing the sound from a front. If I do this, so sound to sound everywhere I do. Whereas if I'm doing it at the front, it just sounds like it's more of the front of the earbud. So it depends whether you want to hear everything around you or hear more so just in front of you there. And you've got own noise reduction here as well. So this actually reduces you hearing your own voice. So I turn that off, and as I'm talking, I can hear myself picking up in the hearing aids. So I'll turn that off and it reduces me down straight away. Again, see how easy this is to use. It's really, really good. And now equalizer. So here you've got, I might just increase the equalizer. So you can change this depending on the sound settings. So if I increase bass, mid-range, treble, it basically just changes the, especially if you listen to music as well, just changes it. So you can adjust the sound depending on, I guess, what's suitable for you as well, which is really, really good. Now again, this is a great feature. So Ambient Aware just allows you to be able to hear the environment around you, when you're listening to music, which is a great feature to have. Now going to hearing aids, you can actually do your own hearing aid test as well. So it takes 10 minutes to get your own hearing audiogram. So you've got the preset modes, which is just here. So I would say, you could do preset like mode. I'd say I'd probably be on the number one. What I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna try this hearing aid test now and see how it actually works. So let's do it just now. Yeah, let's do it. So. Okay, so there you go. So I just did the hearing test just then. As you can see, it was very, very quick. But it's essentially like being at the audiologist. You know how you can hear the beeps and stuff around you? It was like that. And as you guys can see here, gladly, I have normal hearing as well. So yeah, which is great. So we'll use that result for filtering. But now is you guys to be able to test it depending on your hearing aid, which is great because you want to have the hearing aids actually customized for your hearing style, which this allows it to do. Now if you have a look at my profile too, it goes through if your voice sounds too loud with your hearing aids, so you can reduce your voice. We went through that before. The audiograms is what saves them in there. A good app, easy to use and completely customizable. Now one of the standouts is the advanced feedback cancellation. You know that awful high-pitched whistling some hearing aids give off when you hug someone or take a phone call? With these, you don't get that. AFC Tech does a great job of minimizing that, even when adjusting volume or switching modes on the fly. And that's great because they just sit in your ears, they just start working straight away and they feel so comfortable. Wave Light OTC earbuds here at the gym. And the great thing is it really does make the sound amplified, but I can put it onto conversation mode so I can talk to people next to me, or I could put on background noise so I can really hear the waves here behind me. Look how they fit so well there in the ears. They fit perfectly. I just did them on phone calls as well, and they sounded really good as well. But very good even like in noisy environments out here at the beach. As you can see, here I am at the Gold Coast, and it's a beautiful day as well to be wearing hearing aids. So. But here's where things get interesting. The AUX import, which you can see just there, you can plug these directly into a laptop, TV, or even in-flight entertainment system. So guys, that means you can actually watch a movie or listen to a podcast without using Bluetooth at all. So I tested on my laptop and the sound was crisp, isolated, and lag-free. It's a surprisingly rare feature in OTC models, and one have actually added in here, it really does work. Speaking of Bluetooth, what's it like? Well, you're getting low lag streaming and multi-point connection with Bluetooth 5.4. So you can take calls, jump between your phone and tablet seamlessly. So I tested a few tracks and was honestly surprised by how warm and full the audio sounded. Now guys, it's not up there with like your premium quality music only earbuds, but we're talking about OTC earbuds here. And it still sounds absolutely great. How about battery life? Well, you get up to 22 hours with a charging case, which is just there. And a quick 15-minute charge gives around 3 hours of use. That's perfect if you get to charge overnight and need to power up fast. And the great thing is, they're actually just take them off, put them in your ears, and you can start using them straight away. Now, as you can see, they did a great job. The AI 2.0 algorithm does a great job filtering out wind and traffic noise. And a directional focus, as you're looking, helps isolate voice in front of you. In restaurant mode, the hearing aids really pull vocal tones forward, helping you stay in the conversation without getting overwhelmed by ambient sound. So basically, when people are talking, you're really only hearing the conversation there. You're not hearing all these conversations, which can be a nightmare. Now we're going to be reviewing the Seerville Nano model soon as well. So if you're comparing the two or trying to decide which one to use, we'll do it for you later. So final verdict, Wavelight, the best OTC hearing aid for 2025. Well guys, they're definitely up there with 40 decibels of gain, AI-driven clarity, app customization, Bluetooth and AUX inputs, plus a discreet modern design. They strike a fantastic balance between performance, comfort and style. If you're tired of old school hearing aids and want something that actually looks and feels current, the Wavelight is a solid choice. Now guys, would you change or add to these? Drop your thoughts below and forget to check out the description for discount codes and also our giveaways. We love reviewing these too, and look out for the Nano. And thanks for joining us here, Andy at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.